Welcome back. In today's video, I'm revisiting a few of my favorite junk journal projects to share how I use my new Foraged Fragments stamp sheet to make them. You'll also get a sneak peek at a new digital kit and a surprise for our members.
Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Remember this interactive flip I made from a repurposed snack wrapper? I used my stamps to add the collage and the layered journaling spots underneath. And these unique dome tags, I used my stamps to create the focal point with ephemera from my stash. On the back cover of the mini journal, I used a 6x9 envelope to create a pocket. All these pieces are a perfect match for my September kit, Foraged Hues. It's a collection of deep ochres, muted greens, and textures that reflect the changing season. It's available now for Museful Maker members, and if you're a member who has entered your shipping address, you'll receive a surprise ISC Vault stamp at no extra charge. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to share with you the makes for this month. Get ready to have a wicked blast creating. By the way, there's a sneak peek of the October 1st ISC stamp sheet and also a sneak peek of the digital kit. Next, you'll see a peek of the October's stamp sheet image and also sunlit patina. And if you want to send a voice message for my birthday, the link is below. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this, please subscribe and I'll see you in the next creative session.